Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infitech. In this video we are going to solve a problem in C++, and here now the given problem is we will be given an array of integers and a target value. So we need to iterate through the given array and find a triplet whose sum is equal to the given target. In this case our example array is 12, 3, 4, 1, 6, 9 and the given target is 24. So what will be the triplet? The triplet could be 12, 12 plus 3, 3 plus 12 plus 3 is 15 and 15 plus 9 is 24. So the triplet for this target is 12, 3 and 9. So that's our problem. We need to find all the possible triplets to the given array whose sum is equal to the target. So first let's write code in C++. So let's include some required libraries, and stream. So basically how we are going to solve this is so basically how we are going to solve this is like we are going to sort the given array, and after sorting the given array we will take an ith value. We will going to loop through this entire array and we will going to make use of the two pointer approach also. So I will be explaining the process. So first just slide the main function, and let's take the array as the input. It is 12, 3, 4, 1, 6 and 9, and let's also define the target variable, and let's define a function. Let us say it as find all triplets, and this takes the array as the argument and also the length of the array, and also the target as the argument. So now before passing the array to this function, we need to sort the given array. We can sort it using the sort method, and we can say array. So first just calculate the size of the array, length of size of array by size of array of 0. So this line gives us the length of the array, which is nothing but 6. So we are going to sort the array using the algorithm header, and after sorting we are going to call the function find all triplets. Okay, we are going to pass the array here, and also we are going to pass the length of the array and also the target. Okay, so this function will be responsible to print all the triplets of the passed array. So now let's look at the implementation. So this is the array after sorting. So it is 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12. So initially we need 3 numbers whose sum is equal to 24, right? Initially we are going to iterate through this entire array using this ith variable, and initially the I is going to be 0 and L is going to be I plus 1 in every iteration. So and R is going to be the length minus 1. So I goes only to length minus 1. So I can only go to max of 6. I can only iterate through length minus 2. So, and because we need to occupy left and right pointer, right? So that's why we are going to iterate ith variable to length minus 2. So initially our 3 variables are going to be I is going to be at 0, L is going to be at I plus 1, and R is going to be at last length minus 1 of the array. So now we are going to calculate the values of these indexes. So it is array of I plus array of L plus array of R. So now it is 1 plus 3 plus 12. So it is 4 plus 12, which is equal to 16. But that 16 is less than the given target, right? Since this is less than the given target, we need a number which is greater than 16. So since this array is sorted in the since the array is sorted in ascending order, we are going to increment this left pointer because we need a greater value. And now the current sum is going to be 1 plus 4 plus 12. It is 5 plus 12, which is 17, but the target is 12. Still we need a greater value than 17. We are going to increment this left, and now it is going to be 1 plus 6, 7 and 12. 12 plus 7 is 19, and the target is 24. And again we are not satisfying the condition. Again we are going to increment the left pointer. So it is 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 12 is 22. So 22 is less than 24. But there is a condition here that while L is less than R, so these two pointers should not override. We only iterate to this condition while L is less than R. So for this iteration we did not get our target. So in the next for loop iteration, what we are going to do, the I value gets incremented. So initially the I is going to be 1 and L is going to be I plus 1 and R is going to be the length minus 1, right? So now current sum is going to be 3 plus 4 plus 12. So 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 12 is 19. Again we need to increment the left pointer. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 9 plus 12 is 21. Again we need to increment the left pointer. So 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 12 is 24. Finally we have got the hit the condition that our current sum is equal to the given target, and now we are going to print 3, 9, 12 into the console. Similarly we are going to iterate this ith variable, and we are going to check with all the cases and find all the triplets and print it over the terminal. So this is how we are going to achieve. Now let's write the code. So initially we need to take we need to iterate over the array using this ith variable. So as I said, we are going to iterate to the length minus 2 because we need to give space to left and right pointer to perform that two pointer approach algorithm. So we are going to initialize the left pointer with ith plus 1, and we are also going to increment the right pointer with length minus 1 of the array. Okay. So now we are going to take a while loop, and we are going to iterate through a condition while L is less than R, which means this one, for this two pointer approach 3 to 12. So now we are going to calculate the current sum, and the current sum can be calculated as I of R, array of I plus array of left pointer plus array of right pointer index. So now we are going to check the condition. If the current sum is equal to the given target, then we can print it in the console saying that the triplet is, and we can print those three integers, array of J, array of R. Okay, so after we have got this condition, so this is array of L, left pointer. So we can increment the left pointer and decrement the right pointer, and to check whether if there are any other triplet in that two pointer algorithm, two pointer subarray, like that. So and if that this is not the case, you can check else if the current sum is greater than the target, then you can decrement the right pointer. Else if the current sum is less than the target, then you can increment the left pointer. Okay, you need to mention using namespace std. Okay, so we have taken the input. Let's remove this. So now let's test by compiling. You can say g++ find triplet. So let's execute this. Yes, you can see our triplet is 3 plus 9 plus 12. So 3 plus 9 is 12 and 12 plus 2 is 14. So this is how you can find a triplet in an array using this two-pointer approach, and that's all. So you can find all the possible triplets to the given input array and the given target. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.
Help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh.